And in a welcome order, Gurgaon court has denied bail to a 19-year-old man infamous for shooting at the anti-CAA protesters in 2020, injuring one student, and in a new case against him where he's caught on video allegedly making hate speeches at a so-called Hindu Mahapanchayat in Haryana. The Jamia shooter made threatening statements against Muslim girls in the presence of a BJP official, the party's spokesperson in Haryana, who also made similar hate speeches to a large audience. Videos of this event went viral on social media, leading to outrage and mass calls for the speaker's arrest.
Watching these videos from a so-called Hindu Mahapanchayat held last week in Haryana, in which a young man can be heard making vicious hate speeches, a Haryana court has said its conscience is utterly shocked that these kinds of persons, if given a chance, would organize a mass murderer mob to kill innocent lives on their own religious hatred. The Jamia shooter was arrested in Gurgaon last week on hate speech charges, which are punishable by up to 3 years of jail. The court has denied his bail application, underlining that to ensure that citizens of India of any religion, faith or caste should not feel unprotected, such hate mongers cannot walk freely without fear. Freedom of speech is an integral part of any democratic country. However, this freedom has reasonable restrictions. None can be allowed to ignite fire because he has freedom of speech and can direct hate towards a particular group or religious community. These hate comments were in the presence of a ruling party politician, Suraj Pal Ammu, who is the BJP spokesperson in Haryana. Ammu also gave threatening speeches against Muslims at this event. The Jamia shooter, in his bail plea, alluded to inaction against the politician. His lawyer said there were other orators who are powerful persons and they gave inflammatory speeches also, but no action has been taken against them. The Jamia shooter has been arrested as he is an outsider and has no political connection in the state. The police say they are still waiting for a complaint to be registered against the politician. They said later, if the link evidence is found during investigation, then other persons, if any, would also be arrested. Meher Pandey for NDTV.